Hi, and welcome to our video on the important subject of service penetrations in buildings. Before we get started, let's define what a service penetration is. In simple terms, a building service penetration is an opening or gap made through a fire-resisting element, such as a wall, floor, or ceiling, to allow the passage of building services, such as pipework, duct, electrical cables, and other services to pass from one fire-resisting compartment to another. This video provides further information for people working in the building industry to help promote best practices for protecting service penetration installations. Hi, I'm your host Russ Porteous and I'm the CEO of Firewise. We help building owners, managers and occupiers to design, install and maintain fire safety systems in buildings to keep people and buildings safe from fire. We also produce a range of videos to help answer your burning questions about fire safety. The risks associated with improperly installed service penetrations can lead to a fire, heat or smoke moving from one compartment to another. This can place the lives of building occupants in danger and significant property loss. As building professionals continue to work under tight deadlines and strict budgets, the failure to comply with the requirements for service penetrations may be compromised. The consequences of such actions can be dire, as even the smallest oversight or error in the installation process can significantly compromise the fire resistance of walls, floors and ceilings. The requirements for the protection of building service penetrations is part of the requirements to maintain the fire integrity or fire-resisting construction of a building. These requirements are covered in the National Construction Code in clauses C3D6, C4D13, C4D15 and specifications 11 and 13. The deemed to satisfy provisions of the NCC require protection for service penetrations in fire-rated and smoke-proof structures. This includes requiring the correct products that meet the testing standards of the NCC and, if deviating slightly, must be certified by an accredited laboratory or approved by the relevant building surveyor. In Victoria, the Building Authority has published Practice Note FS02 that covers a requirement for building service penetration installations through fire-rated and smoke-proof walls, floors and ceilings. The Practice Note provides a checklist of tasks that must be completed before a penetration is made. The checklist covers the following activities. Number 1, the building permit is required before a penetration is made or altered. Number 2, a new service penetration must not adversely affect the structural integrity, insulation, fire performance or other services of the building. Number 3, the form of protection of a service penetration must be appropriate for the service being installed and the required fire resistance level of the compartment is being maintained. And lastly, the installation of the service penetration protection is installed in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications and installation requirements. There are many types of service penetration protection as shown in the list on the right. Hopefully we've covered the majority of your questions about building service penetrations. If you would like more information about these penetrations, feel free to visit the Firewise website on the link below, where you can download a copy of our installation and maintenance checklist.